gentle. There it goes. All right. This guy's gonna be very careful. Working on some fuel line action. We're gonna get the other fuel line action. It smells gassy.
Eggs. Does it every time.
Oh my god.
Okay, so let's get that one off.
I gotta do this one. That little guy, that's the one that goes to the regulator. Look at that. There it is.
I won't if you don't.
Uh-oh. All right, so we got that. We got that. Not too shabby. We gotta get this off, yeah.
So I'm gonna start popping clips for...
Popping a cap.
Right?
Get the injectors rotated. It's still pretty dirty down there too, buddy.
Yeah, well, I've blown it out the best I can 4 or 5 times, so I mean, we shouldn't have any issues that way.
Gotcha.
But yeah, I'm gonna start pulling the clips.
Yeah, pop them off here, get the harness up and out of the way.
Yep.
That one's gonna be really fun.
Yeah. Well,
but
they don't tell me I have unchristian-like hands for no reason.
this is true. He does have very unchristian-like hand. Okay, you're good there. You might want to undo it here. And
That one should be, well, I think it's stable enough to do that.
this one's good. Just pop that guy. You're gonna want both wrenches on there, Scotty. You're gonna want both wrenches on there.
Do you see me trying to make sure that I've got the right one for the right spot first before I start doing other things?
Yes, dear.
Okay, so there we go.
Look at us bicker like old women.
No, we bicker like a married couple.
You're the wife.
No, about that.
Oh man, but I don't want to be.
Ooh, it's not 18.
19 like the other one. That's why I had the line wrench on there.
19.
Remember? Bobby is smart when he tells you things.
I don't know if I would go that far.
Turn it the other way, smart guy. So you have room. There you go. Oh yeah, it's on. It's in the hole. It's in the hole right there, puppy. Papito. There you go. Look at you.
I'll tell you, people, don't ever, 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 ever
Work with me.
have a heart attack and a stroke at the same time. I swear to God, at times right now, the past couple of days, I feel like I'm trying to struggle just to do basic things.
We haven't touched your colors yet.
I mean, what?
Haven't touched your colors yet.
No, I'll work on shapes next week.
Reading is fundamental. Or something.
More like or something. And that takes
Right.
care of that one.
So now you can pull out. Oh, there you go.
Dude, that's an entire injector coming out super easy.
Yeah, that would definitely make a vacuum leak too.
Yep.
Okay, so now you can get this. Fun, fun, fun.
All right, well, let me start doing...
Get all your harnesses out of the way.
Yeah.
And
Well,
then
that's
we'll-
easier said than done. Like,
Yes.
legitimately, that's easier said than done. But,
Yes.
as always, I will make it right, and it'll look pretty and clean, and it'll be fabulous. I swear to God, it'll be fabulous.
Is it, how is it?
Fabulous.
You didn't do the hand action. I'm shooting your
Fabulous.
There we go. That's the spirit. Okay. We'll check back in with you momentarily.
Un momento?
Un momento, por favor. I'm gonna go to the little boy's room.
Well, keyword, little.
Hey, thank you. No one's complaining in my face.
Go to your bathroom.